is Adit and welcome to yet another video. So in this video I plan to say a story called The Dangerous Curiosity. So before I continue with the story, I would like to say everyone to kindly subscribe the channel if you are seeing the video for the first time, and also please don't forget to like the video and also share to your friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. So now we can just go with the story. Dangerous Curiosity. Once a snake charmer caught a snake and kept it in a bamboo basket. The snake tried hard to come out of it, but he could not. In the snake charmer's house, there lived a young rat. The rat was very naughty and mischievous. He was always curious about the things lying around him. However, Mother Rat always cautioned her young son not to touch any unfamiliar objects. One day, the young rat came out of his hole and saw a bamboo basket lying in the corner. The basket appeared very attractive to him. So the curious rat went closer and climbed over it. He tried to peep inside to get a clue about the contents of the basket. However, the dense weaving of the box prevented him from peeping inside. Now, the restless rat was even more curious. He guessed, "It seems that sweets are kept inside. If somehow I open the basket, I can enjoy the sweets." The rat tried and tried and tried, but did not succeed in opening it. Tired of his efforts to open the basket, the curious rat started cutting the bamboo basket with his sharp teeth. Finally, he succeeded in making a small hole. The snake was sitting inside the basket waiting for the right opportunity to come out. Finally, the young curious fellow entered into the box through the hole and was immediately gobbled up by the snake sitting inside. The snake came out of the basket and glided back to the forest. So guys, I hope that you liked the story. Now I'll say the moral as well. So the moral of this story is that don't be over enthusiastic about any unknown object. So as now I said, this is the moral of the story. So I hope you guys that you liked this story and this video. So if you liked it, kindly please subscribe to the channel, and also kindly like and share this video with your neighbors, relatives, family members and many other people. So thank you.